Hey y'all, we're back with the perfect demonstration of a popsicle cake just in time for summer. To start, we're going to prepare the popsicles for the top of the cake using Elite Color Tiger Lily. Unlike Master Elite food colors, Elites are fat soluble and perfect to color your white chocolate. We've melted down 12 ounces of white chocolate and used up to 1 teaspoon of Tiger Lily to achieve this beautiful, vibrant orange. Once the chocolate is completely colored, gently pour it into a piping bag so you can transfer the white chocolate into your popsicle mold. Fill the mold to the very top, place the topper, and then gently stick in your popsicle stick while the chocolate cools and sets. Once the chocolate is fully set, then demold the popsicles and set aside until they're ready to top your cake. Because we're creating the illusion of the popsicle melting, we're going to prepare some ganache. Bring 1/2 cup of heavy cream to a boil and then gently pour over 1 1/4 cup of white chocolate chips. And this is where it gets very fun. We're going to use Master Elites to color our ganache. Now you may wonder, why are we going with Master Elites for chocolate? The heavy cream is the activator. So what we did is we took a little bit of orange Master Elite, a little bit of red rose to match the tone of the Tiger Lily chocolate. Now that the ganache and the topper is prepared, Courtney is going to stack the cake. Here she's using 6-inch cake layers and an ice cream scoop to ensure that she has the same amount of buttercream between each layer. She will repeat this process until all layers are fully stacked and the cake is sealed. This is called the crumb coat. Now we'll be coloring the buttercream using the melting method. Courtney will take small portions of her master batch of buttercream and add some Master Elite to each bowl. She'll then microwave the buttercream for 5 to 10 seconds and mix that buttercream thoroughly. Don't worry, the colors are supposed to look this dark and vibrant. You're going to add a little bit of this activated buttercream to your master batch until you achieve the desired tone. This is a perfect method to using Master Elites to color your Swiss meringue or American buttercream. For this cake, Courtney chose 2 different colors, Master Elite Lilac and Master Elite Hawaiian Blue. They complement one another beautifully. Because we wanted an ombre effect, Courtney started icing the cake from the top with lilac and the bottom with Hawaiian blue. She's going to then gently mix the 2 colors in the center with her spatula and then go back to scrape off the excess icing, leaving a super smooth finish. Prior to this final step, be sure to cool your cake in the fridge or the freezer for 10 to 20 minutes so that when the warm ganache hits the cake, it gently drips down the side beautifully. Don't be afraid to add more ganache to ensure that you get the long drips that you're looking for, and just gently pull the spatula towards you as you turn the cake and ensure all of the drips go down your cake the way you want them to. Now it's time to watch Courtney have fun and add all the sprinkles to this adorable summer cake. She has a tip for you too. If you add a little bit of shortening to your gloves prior to adding the sprinkles onto the cake, the sprinkles will not only stick to your gloves, but they will also stick to the cake. This sprinkle medley turned out perfect for the colors that we chose today, and I am so excited for the final step, adding the chocolate popsicles to the top of the cake. You will also need to use an internal structure like a wooden dowel or a toothpick prior to adding them as your cake topper. And now for the perfect finishing touch, edible glitter diamond dust. Watch Courtney give those pops a good, healthy spray of edible glitter all over those pops and sides of the cake, and it will sparkle like the star it is. Courtney did an amazing job with this cake, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you always for being Team Sugar Art.